Welcome back to our channel, Asian Deutsch Rezept. Let's start to cook. 250 grams macaroni noodles, 0.1 big carrots, 0.250 grams chicken, 0.1 big onion. Procedure: cologne. Put in the pan. Butter, olive oil, plants oil. The plants oil, it's optional. And next put the onion and garlic. Then put the chicken inside.
40 minutes more, let's see, or 30 minutes. It's very fast.
And mix well. And put the carrots. Next, Nord cube chicken or pork. This optional. You can use pork gratin or chicken gratin. And put a pepper white. And mix well. And add 3 cups water. Half spoon salt. Additional sausage, it's optional. After 15 minutes, all is cooked. Add the sausage. And add 1 egg or 2 eggs. Smells so good and looks delicious. And now let's start to eat. Guten Appetit!
Das ist so lecker.
Ja?